Chris is a seasoned entrepreneur with a diverse background in finance and business. Following a successful 10-year career at GE Capital, he co-founded a specialty finance company that quickly emerged as one of the fastest-growing businesses in the UK. His entrepreneurial drive and strategic vision propelled the company to success, culminating in its acquisition by a NASDAQ-listed entity and specialist buyout fund in 2014. After exiting his business venture, Chris transitioned his focus to venture investing and mentoring aspiring founders. He served as the managing partner of Outrun Ventures, where he leveraged his extensive industry experience to identify and nurture promising startups, particularly in the fintech sector. Notably, he led the Techstars Fintech Accelerator for 5 years, during which he made 50 investments, providing crucial early-stage support to companies such as Everledger, Kuva, Cutover, ShieldPay, and Selden. Chris's impact in the fintech ecosystem extends far and wide, as he is recognized as one of Europe's most prolific investors in fintech companies. With a keen eye for innovation and disruptive potential, he has invested as an angel in over 130 companies, including notable successes like Railsbank, Kuda Bank, Quant Network, Marshmallow, Smart Pension, Moniz, and Atom Bank. His contributions to the industry have earned him accolades such as the UK's Angel Investor of the Year in 2018-19 and recognition as the most active fintech angel investor in Europe by Sifted in 2020. Through Outrun Ventures, Chris continues to champion growth stage investments in his most promising portfolio companies, driving forward innovation and reshaping the future of finance. Chris Adelsbach began his professional journey with a decade-long career at GE Capital. This experience gave him a strong grounding in finance and business operations, shaping the skills that would later define his entrepreneurial and investment success. His early years taught him the value of discipline, strategic thinking, and building strong teams. With a vision to create something impactful, Chris co-founded Marlin Financial Group. The company quickly grew into one of the fastest-growing privately held businesses in the UK. Its performance earned it a place on the Sunday Times Fast Track 100 list for 5 consecutive years, from 2009 to 2013. In 2014, Chris and his partners sold Marlin Financial Group to a NASDAQ-listed company and a specialist buyout fund. This marked a major milestone in his career, providing both the capital and freedom to explore new opportunities beyond entrepreneurship. After exiting his company, Chris shifted his focus to venture investing. He wanted to use his experience to back and mentor early-stage founders, particularly in the fast-growing fintech sector. His passion for supporting entrepreneurs was as strong as his business acumen. Chris took on the role of managing director at the Techstars Fintech Accelerator in London, working in partnership with Barclays. Over 5 years, he accelerated some of the most promising fintech startups, making 50 first-check investments into companies such as Everledger, Kuva, Cutover, ShieldPay, and Selden. Beyond Techstars, Chris became one of Europe's most active angel investors. He built a personal portfolio of over 200 companies with a heavy focus on fintech. His investments included names like Marshmallow, Quant Network, Atom Bank, Smart Pension, Kuda Bank, and Griffin Bank, many of which went on to become market leaders. Chris's work did not go unnoticed. In 2018-19, he was named UK Business Angels Association's Angel Investor of the Year. In 2022, Business Insider ranked him as Europe's #1 seed investor, and Sifted named him the most active fintech angel in Europe from 2021 to 2023. In 2019, Chris co-founded Outrun Ventures, his family office and investment firm. The company focuses on backing exceptional teams in fintech, rigtech, insurtech, proptech, payments, and lending. Outrun Ventures invests primarily at the Series seed stage across the UK and Europe. Chris's private portfolio of 200 companies has collectively attracted more than £1.75 billion in follow-on funding. Meanwhile, the 50 companies he backed during his time at Techstars have grown to be worth more than 8 times their original value. His track record demonstrates not just quantity, but also quality in investment choices. Chris also serves in advisory positions to promising companies such as Venari Security and Quant Network. In these roles, he offers strategic guidance, helping startups scale securely and innovate effectively in competitive markets. A firm believer in giving back, Chris actively mentors mission-driven founders. He enjoys guiding entrepreneurs who aim to build businesses that deliver both financial success and positive social impact, ensuring their ventures grow sustainably. Chris studied at the University of Michigan Stephen M. Ross School of Business, graduating with a BBA in Finance, Marketing, and Strategy, achieving the highest distinction with a GPA of 3.56/4.0, He also participated in the Delta Sigma Pi business fraternity, further developing his leadership skills. Staying connected to his roots, Chris has served as president of the University of Michigan UK Alumni Association, been a member of the Michigan Ross Alumni Board, and continues to contribute as part of the university's International Alumni Board. From a corporate career to entrepreneurship, from leading accelerators to investing in over 250 companies, Chris Adelsbach has built a legacy as one of Europe's most influential fintech investors. His journey reflects a blend of strategic thinking, relentless drive, and a passion for empowering the next generation of entrepreneurs. Through his investments and advisory roles, Chris continues to drive innovation and impact in the fintech sector. His visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to supporting disruptive technologies have positioned him as a leading figure in the European fintech ecosystem. With a keen eye for identifying transformative opportunities and a passion for empowering entrepreneurs, Chris remains at the forefront of driving positive change and shaping the future of finance. As a seasoned entrepreneur and angel investor, he has established a formidable portfolio of 225 companies, predominantly in the fintech sector. His entrepreneurial journey began with the co-founding of Marlin Financial Group, which earned recognition in the Sunday Times Fast Track 100 for 5 consecutive years as one of the UK's fastest-growing privately held companies. Following our successful exit to a NASDAQ-listed company in 2014, he embarked on a new chapter as a venture investor, leveraging his expertise to drive innovation and growth in the startup ecosystem. His contributions to the fintech landscape have been recognized through various accolades and honors. He was honored as the GBEA Investor of the Year in 2023, highlighting my impact and leadership in the investment community. Business Insider's recognition as the #1 seed investor in Europe in 2022, along with being named the most active fintech angel in Europe by Sifted from 2021 to 2023, underscore his pivotal role in shaping the fintech ecosystem. Moreover, his private portfolio of 175 companies has attracted over £1.5 billion in follow-on investment, showcasing the enduring value and potential of his investment strategy. Currently, he serves as the co-founder and managing partner at Outrun Ventures, where he continues to drive forward innovative fintech ventures and support entrepreneurial growth. Additionally, his role as a venture partner at Techstars allows me to further amplify his impact by fostering the next generation of fintech pioneers. Through my leadership, he has built and led the #1 rated accelerator in Europe, earning recognition as the UK BAA Angel Investor of the Year in 2018-19. As he continued to navigate the dynamic landscape of venture investing, he remained committed to driving positive change and shaping the future of finance through strategic investments and mentorship. Since graduating from the University of Michigan, Chris has remained actively engaged with his alma mater, demonstrating a deep commitment to fostering alumni connections and supporting educational initiatives. He serves as a member of the Ross Alumni Board of Governors and played a pivotal role as a founding board member of the University of Michigan International Alumni Board. Additionally, Chris serves as the president of the U of M Alumni Association UK, further solidifying his dedication to fostering a sense of community among Michigan alumni worldwide. In recognition of his outstanding contributions, Chris was honored with the Bert F. Wertman Alumni Service Award by the Michigan Ross School of Business in 2020. Outside of his professional and alumni endeavors, Chris finds joy and fulfillment in his role as a family man. Alongside his wife Emily, Chris is the proud parent of 3 children, and together they reside just outside London. The family shares a love for exploration and adventure, often venturing into the picturesque British countryside to create cherished memories together. Despite their proximity to London, the family maintains strong ties to Ann Arbor, regularly visiting the university campus, where Chris fondly reminisces about his collegiate experiences and reconnects with his alma mater's vibrant community. Some companies where Chris Adelsbach invested Camia and Chris Adelsbach. Signatized network management software. Cavita.ai logistics. Tusa financial software. Renew risk financial software. Anansi insurance. Pickle property and casualty insurance. Blober business. Productivity software. Quara financial software. Structure flow. Business. Productivity software. Kuda Technologies Fintech company. Smart publishing breaking news, must-read analysis and hearty advice. Atom Bank built for smartphone or tablet.